Yeah, hi Antonio, it's Marker FMAV in UK. Just to let you know that I've done your laser for you, and it's all working. So you can see that there. Basically what I've done is I've given it a really good clean for you, okay? So I've taken the cogs out, given them a good clean. I've checked the micro switch, given that a bit of a clean for you. And I've also put a brand new Philips laser in there for you. And it's all fully working, as you can see. So I'll just turn the volume up, so you can hear that running there. So yeah, you know, it's all there working for you. So if you get any problems, you've got a 6-month warranty on it as well, okay? All we ever ask for is you pay the postage cost from me to you. Other than that, we replace, you know, the laser free of charge. But you know, please understand that we only warrant the laser and the work on the laser for that, okay? So, but you shouldn't get any problems with this because it is quite a clean unit, to be honest with you. So it weren't too cacked up or anything. So I hope you're happy with this, and thank you very much, and we appreciate your business.